In this section, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your development environment and writing your own website from scratch. So before we begin this section, ensure you have VS Code installed in your system. If you don't have VS Code installed, simply launch your browser and go to your URL and type code.visualstudio.com and follow the instruction to download VS Code for your operating system. So I'm going to show you my own process for starting a web page. I usually come to my desktop, I'll create a folder. I've already created a folder called tutorial. So you can create a folder simply by, if you are on Windows, simply right click on your desktop, click new, then click folder and rename it accordingly. So I already have a folder on my desktop. To open the folder in VS Code, simply right click on the folder, click open with code, then it will open your folder with VS Code. So this is my folder opened in VS Code. And you see it's just empty, it's blank. So I'm going to create my first file. But before then, let's look at some extensions we need to make our code editor more useful. To the leftmost part of the VS Code interface, we'll see different icons here. So click on the extension tab. On the extension tab, search for live server and hit enter. So it will bring up different live server. Click on the first one. I already have it installed, but if you don't have it installed, so once you come here, you just click install. I already have it installed. That's why you see it's showing uninstall here. So yours might not be showing uninstall. So just click install to install it. It enables you to preview your website in the browser as you are creating it in your code editor. So another extension you should install is Prettier. So you can just type Prettier. I already have it installed in my own case. So just type Prettier. You pick the first one that comes up and install it. So this enables you to format your code as you are writing it to make it look pretty. And so those are the two we'll be using for now. Because of subsequent tutorials, so we'll look at other extensions that we'll use. Now, to create our first web page, come to this folder. So this is the folder. If you remember, the name of the folder is tutorial. So when you hover over it, you see these icons. The first one is new file. The second one is new folder. So click on new file and give your file a name. So I'll name it index.html and press enter. So it will create your first file. Now it has created index.html file for us. So to create our starter code, there's a shortcut we use in VS Code to bootstrap our page. That means it will give us our starter code, so we can just input our own code on it. The shortcut is the exclamation mark. So just hold shift and press the exclamation key on your keyboard. Then just hit enter. So it will create this starter code. So this is what we call bootstrapping. So it creates the starter code for you. So this is what you should have created manually if you were not using VS Code. Probably if you were using Notepad or any other code editor that doesn't have this feature. So this quickly creates a starter code for us. So in this starter code, you now enter your own code to continue customizing the web page. So we have the title is document, so you can change it to whatever title you want to name your website. So I will just change it to my first website. Then within the body tag, so I'm going to put h1 tag and I'll put it as welcome to my page. Then under it, maybe I'll just put a paragraph tag and just say something. So I just put subscribe to this page for more tutorials like this. So now I've created my first website. So how do I see what I've created in action? So after typing in your code, the next thing you do is to save it. So once you save your file, the next thing is to preview it. So we are going to use that live server extension we installed. So at the base of your VS Code, you will see go live here. So this is the live server we installed. If you don't have live server installed, you are not going to see this. So make sure you install live server for you to see this. So click go live. So look at it. You can see my website. So this is the title. The title is here. So this is welcome to my web page. Subscribe to this page for more tutorials like this. So I'm going to put this side by side. So I'll minimize this, put it on one side, then put this one on one side. So as we are creating, we'll be seeing what we are creating live. So if I come here and add another paragraph and say thank you for staying tuned, so that live server is reloading the page automatically. So that's how to create your first web page. So every website in the world starts with this basic structure. Then every other content you see goes in between this body tag. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this coming your way. Thank you.